Hey y'all, Angie here. Going to tell you today about this nice mosquito mesh that I ordered. I live out in the country. We have a lot of bugs, no-see-ums, gnats, mosquitoes, and honestly, I swallow more than my share of bugs every year, but not this year. These come in a little pack like this, and the net and everything is stored inside. You can see here that I have on a really big gardening sombrero right now, and it has a little nylon piece that goes over the top of your hat, and you don't have to wear a hat. But what I want to point out is how big this hat is and how far down this still comes. So it is completely down past my collarbone and clavicle here, and the same in the back. So this covers your whole head and neck, and you don't have to worry about getting swarmed by any bugs while you're wearing this. This is a really fine mesh. I can see perfectly clearly through this. I like that it covers this much space. It's not tight on me at all. It's not blowing up against my face. And if I wanted to cinch this down, I have that option here. It's just a drawstring. So you can cinch this down, you can leave it loose. I really like the fine mesh. I don't feel like anything is going to get through this. I like that it's big enough to go over my big hat. So if I'm out here working in the flower bed, I don't have to worry about being attacked and bugs flying in my face and eyes and ears. This is going to get a lot of use. Let me show you how this works. This comes in a little bag like this. It's got a little loop that you can clip onto your backpack if you're out hiking, or your lawnmower if you're out riding around. So your net and everything is tucked inside here. To get it out, you just grab your net and just pull, and the whole net comes on out. Then you flip your bag inside out, and your net is set and ready to go. So here's the top and what it looks like. So it can go just over your head or over your hat like this one. It's got a nice long drop, like you can see here. Your drawstring is nylon here on the bottom. You just push your button, draw it in, just like any normal regular drawstring. And I mean, I'm loving this, guys. So let's put this back in the bag. You've got your little hole here. You just invert it. Just roll it all right back in there. Just take your thumbs or your fingers and just tuck that little thing right back in the bag. Just like that. I like that this comes in its own stowable bag. It's easy to pack away. Bring it out when you need it, and the rest of the time it's in a little storage bag, and you're good to go. Clip that on somewhere inside your backpack. You're off to the races. If you're looking for a good mosquito net, absolutely would recommend this one.